make it do donuts, huh? Take it over there and see if we can get a jump off the curb. All the way across the street. Alright, yeah, do this. Right here is actually better. Whew! Boy, is it hard to keep up with that one. Super Blackfoot 3. Yeah, that's the way, Mikey. Friends are calling, yeah. Take it over there and see if we can get a jump off that other curb. See that curb where you and Nate always jump bikes on across the street? Straight across the street? Yeah. That's good, son. See if you can get away from Mom's car. Get it away from Mom's car. Oh, I'm 2 minutes.